welcome back to another video. It's your girl, the princess, and I'm back at it again today with a new look. And for today's look, we'll be using a wig that I received from Allovehair. You guys are familiar with them. I worked with them probably 4 times now, so I'm back at it again. We're trying a different wig texture from them. So this is their packaging. It's just a purple box. It just says Allovehair on it. And today I'll be trying the Brazilian body wave lace front wig, 24 inch, 180% density. It's a 13x4 body wave lace front wig, so that's period. Let's go ahead. So when you get your box, this is what it looks like on the inside. It comes with this little net wig cap thingy. It also comes with like a little scrunchie and your wig in a plastic bag. And as we get into this wig, y'all, are y'all tired of seeing my background like that yet? Y'all, I can't wait for my room to be done so my setup could be together and look prettier, because it's just been looking crazy and I don't like it. But I'm almost done, y'all. I've seen y'all commenting apartment 2 girl, it's coming really soon. I'm almost done. It's almost there, y'all. Just be patient. But anyways, so yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys what this wig looks like. But yeah, so this is what the wig looks like. Look at this wave. She's really soft. Look at that. Really soft and pretty. Look at that. Yes, honey. This is what the frontal looks like. It comes slightly pre-plucked with baby hairs. This is the inside. It has 4 combs, 3 on top, 1 on the bottom, with an adjustable strap. Yeah, that's the wig straight out the box for you guys. So you guys can see this hair is really soft. Like, there's no tangles whatsoever. Like, she's soft. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off really quick, you guys, so I can put her on. So I'll be right back. Alright, babies, this is what the wig looks like on. And as you guys can see, this hair is really soft, really flowy. The length of this is 24. It looks pretty short on me. That's the thing about body wave hair, because it's like a slight curl, so you have to go like couple inches longer if you really want like a long length, because this is a 24 and it's just not giving inches for me. Like, you know, I should have gotten a 26 or something. But this looks really good. These curls, this hair is really soft, you guys. Like, no tangles. Okay, this is bomb. But the wig has no parting, so you could part it wherever you want to. As you guys can see, I'm just playing around with the wig. You could pretty much do whatever you want to it. You could do a half up, half down. You could do some braids right here, girl. You could do whatever you want to. Okay, I wish I could do whatever I want to do, but I don't really know how to do much, so I stick to what I know to do, which is just like the basic. I'm so boring, honestly. I need to start watching tutorials and learn how to do other stuff like braid or like glue the damn wig down. You know, get creative with this shit, because like this wig is so bomb and it's like the lace is bomb and I could do so much to it, and I'm just being boring. But anyways, I don't know why I'm rapping today, you guys. Like, I'm a little hungry. That's probably why I'm talking so much. But yeah, like I was saying, this is what the wig looks like. She's really cute. I'm about to go ahead and style it. I'm gonna give it some curls. I might do a side part. I hate doing side parts because like, yeah, it be looking cute, but like throughout the day when I'm trying to like, you know, go out and do stuff, it would just get stuck in my lashes and it just be in a way. So it's like I always try to stick with like a middle part just to be safe. But I don't know, I'm gonna see how I'm feeling throughout this video. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and style this wig, finish it up, and have it looking really nice for you guys. So I will see you guys once this look is complete.
Yeah, they've got it. 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 Yeah, they've got it. They've got it. They've got it. They've got it. They've got it.
final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure to let me know down in the comments. The wig came out looking super good. It took me about 20 minutes to curl the hair. I was taking my time, jamming to some music, but honestly I feel like it shouldn't even take that long to curl this hair. But yeah, it came out super good, you guys. The lace looks amazing. The hair was very easy to curl. So yeah, I'm very happy with this result. Like, I look good as shit. I look good as shit, period. But yeah, if you're interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you check out Allovehair. I will have their link down below, and also the link to this wig, so you guys could directly check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments. What do you want to see? Just tell me something, okay? Yeah, love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.